brief video tutorial to show how to upload a template. First, you're going to log into the device. Make sure it's connected to the Ethernet ports. Again, all 4 ports on the back are exactly the same, connected to the Ethernet port on your laptop using a Cat5 cable. Cat6 I'm sure will work. When you log in, when you initially log in, this will not be the IP address in the port. When you receive a new device, this is the IP address and the port number that you would use. So 192.168.13.31 at port 9191. If you're not sure which port to use, run an IP config. When you run the IP config, you will get the default gateway. Again, this one's already been programmed, so it's 172, but if the device is new, it will be the 192. That's how you know the device has not been programmed. Once you get the default gateway, you'll log into the device through Windows Chrome, turn off your pop-up blocker. User is always a username. The passwords will be provided for you, and you hit login. Once you're logged in to upload a template, you will go to Template. You'll have to choose the file. The file will already have to be on the laptop that you are using. You will navigate to the folder that has your template. And in this particular case, MP70 folder. The template right now is this one, CFD 1223-2016. It's an XML file. You'll of course choose it. We are not going to upload it because this has been programmed, but once you upload the template, you need to change 4 things. It will take you back to this screen once it's uploaded. You'll log back into the device. And once you upload the template, this will be the IP address and the port number. Change the password. So the old password is usually something generic like 12345. Put in the new password, which will be provided for you. You have to hit apply. If you do not hit apply, the password change will not take place. Then you will need to go to Services. You will change the ALMS name. So we've been using the naming convention CFD and then the number of the vehicle modem. You will also have to change the dynamic DNS name. Again, the device name, CFD, and the number of the modem. You will then need to change the location ID. So you'll go under Location, and this is actually called the tape ID, which stands for something fancy, which I don't know right now. Anyway, the tape ID is located on the Location tab under General Settings. So right here you'll see that the tape ID has to be 4 digits, 4 characters. We've been using 10 plus the modem number. Now of course once we get over 100 vehicle modems in service, then we'll start using 1 plus the modem number. But this is the tape ID. This corresponds to the ID in CAD that lets the vehicle modem or CAD know that that is this particular vehicle modem. So 4 things to change. Password, the naming conventions in 2 places under the Services tab, so the ALMS name here, and the dynamic domain name server name, the device name here, and then also the tape ID under Location. This has to correspond with what is in CAD. That is how you upload a template, and remember, you have to apply all of your changes. So if you change this to say 1094, and I'm going to change it back, you hit apply. You have to hit OK. If you do not have the pop-up blocker turned off in Chrome, this box will not appear. So you hit OK. Now you know it's taken. We're going to change it back. All right, and you do that for all of the settings. So when you change this, let's say we change this to 94. You hit apply, you hit OK. Okay, we're going to change it back to 95 though. Once you do that, you reboot the template or reboot the modem to make sure that all of your changes have taken place. That's how you load a template.